Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. And for all of you newbies, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to tune in to my channel today, because today is the day that I debut her new cover and swag. So you guys, you know, I have been using one planner, which was for the month of March, and now that we're in April, which is the beginning of spring, new beginnings, new seasons, I wanted to switch it up. I was in a black Foxy Fix, and now for the spring and summer, not unless I decide to change it up, I'm in this beautiful I forgot the name of this color, but it's fuchsia kind of pink mystical little gifts planner. And I do want to show you my setup before we actually get into planning in this planner. First, I have this wonderful swag that was created by Glamorous Plans, and I will make sure I leave her Instagram link, so if you're interested you can send her a DM. She custom made this for me. I told her just make whatever, but I sent her a picture of my planner so she can kind of have an idea of what colors to play around with. And then I just carried this over from my black one, and this is just a variety of charms. These charms here came from the Simply, no, not the Simply Gilded. This was from the Villa Beautiful Refresh Kit. This beautiful bow was a paper clip from Sassy Bows and Clips, and this heart lock and key came from Michaels, and I just have them all on one of these claw clips for my little dangles. All right, so let's get inside. So I want to show you how my pockets look. These are the curved pockets, so you have plenty of room to stick items in. And what I decided to do was to use this beautiful B6 card that came out of the Floral and Fawn kit from Villa Beautiful. So my whole setup is from papers and digital download papers that came along with the kit that came out from Villa Beautiful in March. The colors are amazing, and normally her kits are kind of themed for the upcoming month. So even though this is April, this was from her March kit. So I have this cute die cut from Shop LCA, and I am on her PR team, so I do have a code in the description box where you can get a discount. And I just put her on, because this doesn't have like the, I guess you would say like the vertical or horizontal pockets here. I ordered this from the 1407 Planner Company. So basically it's just a wraparound, if I can find the other side. So it's just a wraparound, and I use this, it's a secretarial style, but I use it to put like my card stock or my die cuts for deco. So this back card is just some paper that one of the sticky notes was on from the Villa Beautiful kit. And all of these are laminated, and I created custom pockets. And for the most part, I always kind of put deco and die cuts and things in my pockets to give it some personality. And then I've carried over some some acetate and vellum from some previous setups that I did. But this is my monthly. It's gonna always have my monthly in the beginning, and I haven't set my monthly up for April yet, but this was for March, just to give you a glimpse of how I kind of decorate. The next one is my weeks, and I did switch up how I will be doing my weekly. So it starts off, it has this week, which is kind of like a sidebar, and then you have all of your long vertical boxes, and this is Monday through Friday. And then on the next sheet, it has Saturday and Sunday. And then I have more room to write my things to do. What I want to do is use my weekly as like my highlights. So this is like my highlight insert. And then I will be using a daily. And so again, all of these dashboard covers are from the Villa Beautiful March kit. And let me show you this beautiful acetate. Look at this. This rose gold acetate came with the kit. And the acetate and the paper comes if you get the basic kit plus paper. And when you do get the basic kit plus paper, you also get digital downloads that'll have artwork as well as some of the same papers that came in the kit and then some extras. And just so you all will know, this particular insert came from Albee Design Studios. This insert right here, I try to make sure I remember. This one, which is my monthly, came from Printable Pineapple. And so my daily, because I wanted to be able to write out more detail about my dailies, I printed out this insert. And it's really cute. It has today on there, and it leaves the date blank, so it's undated, and you can circle the days of the week if you like, or you can cover it up. I probably won't do a lot of deco in my daily, just because some days I might have stuff to write and some days I don't. So I will kind of decorate as I go, and it will be real probably very limited decoration. And I forgot where this one came from, but I will make sure I leave where I got all of my inserts in the description boxes, because I know you guys always like to know where I'm getting my inserts from. So then the next section, and then as you can see, I have a second one, and I just put some laminate. I keep calling it laminate. I just put some more acetate here, so when you flip it over, it has this little pattern on here. And I didn't put anything on this side yet because I'm still building her. So the next one, this is some more of that beautiful rose gold acetate that came along with the Villa Beautiful kit. And as you can see, all of them this month, I decided to do pockets on both sides, the front and the back. Now this insert here comes from Erin Condren, and this is the monthly petite planner, and I did decide to get on the bandwagon for this just because I like the way some of my planner friends were using it for their budget, and I'm really serious about diving into managing my budget a little differently since we are in the second quarter of the year. So being that this does start out in January, what I did, I ripped out February and March, and I glued April's backside to this. That way I can keep both of these sides of the calendar for this current year. And you can't even tell that I ripped it out. So just in case you want to still get this and use it, they have been running a lot of sales, so it's not too late. And I do have a link in the description box as well if you want to purchase this or any of the Erin Condren items that I use, because contrary to what some may believe, I've been using Erin Condren for a while. I just don't actually you don't see it in any of my plan with me's. My very first planner was an Erin Condren life planner, and I still use a lot of her products, from her wet erase markers to my weekly schedule pad, and now this. So I probably won't do a setup video. I do have my stickers from you heard all the noise. I have my stickers from Shay's Budget Shop. I thought this kit was so cute, and I'm really excited about trying to figure out how I'm going to use this, because with me, I am a business owner, so my I don't get paychecks, so I don't have like paycheck 1, paycheck 2, paycheck 3, paycheck 4. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to set that up, but I'll definitely do a flip through of it probably next week when I do my plan with me. So as you can see, it does have a pocket here, and I will probably take this out and just stick like my budget stickers and stuff like that I'll use here, or even like some receipts that I get that I need to log. And again, another back pocket. So the next one is my wellness. And again, this is some acetate that I got from Joann's that I cut. And then there's some leftover vellum. Y'all know that this came from the 14 Planner Company, and I love her inserts. And typically for her my wellness, I like it because this is like a tracker style, and this works perfectly for me. And as well, if you are interested in getting this, it is a link below where it has a referral code so you can get a discount. And then I have these cute little stickers in here from Mariposa Studios. This is Pretty Girl Workout, and this is just keeps a track of your cardio and your weights, the duration and calories burned. So sometimes I like to keep a little sticker in here that I want to use for that week. And as well, I'm a PR for her shop, and I do have a discount code in there if you want to order this sticker or any other stickers that she has. Lastly, I actually have added back in my A5 jelly dashboard cover that Shop LCA made. And now, just a disclaimer, yes, it is a little bit shorter, but the way the jellies are made, they don't come really long, or I guess you say really long in length. So when they cut them, it's gonna have a little bit of space, so it's not gonna come straight to the top, but that doesn't bother me at all. So this one was like her blush, and it has like the stars on there. And what I decided to do was to add this B6 pocket card that came in the Villa Beautiful kit as well. And then I have this here. This is just where I keep like my stamps. This actually came for a standard size, but I really wanted to keep it. I do have extra stickers in here to use. And this just houses my address book because, you know, call me old school, but sometimes it's good to have paper. So this is the back side, and I don't know what I'm going to put right here now. I do have another insert that I am using, but it's not on a daily basis. So I'll probably just kind of shove it in here on the go, or just stick it in the planner. But this is the back. And as you can see, she is really chunky, just like I like it. It does come with this pin loop, in which I will probably say, if I had to have one little critique, I'm not a fan of this pin loop, especially sitting out like this, but it's no biggie. And then I just added my own pin loops that I made with these binder clips a while back. So that is my setup in my spring edition of my A5 Traveler's Notebook. I'm excited to jump right in and start planning. Being that the one planner challenge is over, I can start incorporating my other planners back into my lineup. And I do plan on doing a wrap up video just to kind of let you know why I decided to either eliminate certain planners or stick with certain planners, and to answer the question whether or not I could actually function with just one planner if I had to. So y'all make sure y'all stick around and watch out for that video to pop up on my channel. I do plan on doing another video on dashboards because I know you all liked the first one that I did, showing how I made these type of dashboard covers with the pockets. So I will probably be posting that not this week but next week, so stick around so you won't miss any of those videos. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you haven't already done so. Click that notification bell so you will never miss a new video or my Sunday live streams. And as well, if you like this video and you like my new setup for this month, like I said, you never know with me. That's what I call her, by the way. She may have another cover, but I think, not unless I get something really, really light, I think this will be it for at least for the spring. So if you like it, you know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below. And as well, check the description box out for all the discount codes to shops that I PR for, referral codes, and all of the stuff that I like. And I do have a link to my Amazon shop as well, if you are interested in purchasing any of the things that I use to film or that I use on my day-to-day basis. And I'll also make sure I leave the links for all of this stuff that you see here. Again, I believe she's taking a break right now, but I will put her Instagram name on here. And again, this lovely pen, I don't know if I mentioned it, came from Sassy Bows and Clips. And this one also came from the same young lady. And these are from the Simply Gilded subscription box, in which a lot of times when she has extras, she sells those. And then you already know what these are. All of my Villa Beautiful pens, and they are links to Simply Gilded as well as Villa Beautiful, where I have a referral code. So those links are already there. They always will be there, but I will add this link and this link for you so you can shop to your heart's content. So if you enjoyed this video and you have a friend that wants to that has a TN and they're not sure how to set that up, share this with your planner friends so they can successfully set up their traveler's notebook. So until next time, planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.